Hello, my name's Mark Nichols, and recently I had the pleasure of travelling to Himeji in Japan and seeing the amazing Himeji Castle. It's about 600 years old. It survived World War II bombing, and it's one of the few original castles in Japan that's still standing today. It's also listed on the UNESCO World Heritage Site, and movie buffs may be interested to know that parts of the James Bond film You Only Live Twice was filmed there. Upon leaving the castle via the gift shop, I purchased this 1/800 scale model kit made by Doyusha. There are other scales of the kit, 1/500 and 1/380 scale, and standard and premium versions of it. The instructions were in Japanese, which is to be expected, but managed to work around that, no problem. In general, I just did a base colour, then dry brushed a lot of colour over the top of that. Having been spoiled in recent times by the beautiful engineering precision of Bandai kits, I was in for a bit of a shock with this kit. The interlocking of parts was not exact, so it was very easy to glue the walls together at not quite the right angles, so I had to be very careful. I ended up using the base and taping the walls to that first before gluing them together. With the walls, I used a black marker, a Sharpie, to draw in the lines between the bricks, and then painted the brick colours over that. And the kit comes with this green powder, which I used PVA glue on the areas that I wanted grass to be on the kit, and sprinkled that on, and then once it was dry, you tapped it off. The remainder that wasn't glued on fell off. For the ground, I originally intended to use the colour of the original plastic and a mixture of painting, but I ended up cheating and I used some beach sand, which is actually from a hardware store, to make the ground. Now note that the sand doesn't come with the kit. So same again, I used PVA glue on the areas I wanted it, sprinkled the sand on, waited it for a dry, and then tapped the kit for the excess to come off. And here are the little trees which I painted and took off the sprues. The actual foliage is in the form of a green sponge which you tear up into pieces and stick on to the branches and then glue into the base. And here is the finished version. Brought me a lot of great memories of Himeji, so I hope you've enjoyed watching this, and thank you Himeji for hosting me, and thank you Doyusha. Thanks for watching. Bye.